Yeah, now I'll show you what is upsell and cross sell. First, we need to log in our dashboard and then go to our products and select any product. I'll show you now. The in that it shows all the product. Now I select the product, first product here. Yeah. In that we have to go to linked products. Before that, I will show you I will tell you what is upsell and cross sell. Yeah, linked product. Yeah, upsell and cross sell. When we go to Amazon website, it show you that it recommends some product which we didn't ask anything. Okay, and cross sell is while we check out the product, it shows the product related stuffs. Okay, how I will show you some example. Upsell, I added a sofa and a table here. How can we can get this tag? But while adding a product tag, will give you some ID. Okay, in that if we simply enter and add the product ID. I'll delete this. Okay, sofa is here and the ID is #377. I select this and okay, I will tell you first what upsell and cross sell, and then I'll explain how we can add. And we need to give update. Okay, see now we are in a product page. You can see here, you may like the product table and sofa is added here. And when we go to the checkout page, we'll go to checkout, add this product, and now we go to checkout page. Now you can see here just okay, now we are in a shopping cart page, and it recommend the products. Here you can see milk chocolate, playroom, the study table, it recommends here that we added here. This is what cross sell. Okay, again I go to, yeah, here you can see this is cross sell that we can see in checkout page. And upsell is different. It recommends that the related product, for example, if we only select a study table or chair, it recommend the study table also. We just simply search chair, but it recommends study table. That's how it works. We have upsell, we have to give ID, some ID. Can I add table here? I'll delete all this first because we have only limited stuff here. Again sofa. Yeah, here you can see under play it shows playroom, brown coffee table, and gold and milk chocolate tables. Okay, this is all the category which we are going to add now. I just add this brown coffee table, and I add one more. So far we have added the two products now here for upsell, and I didn't add anything in the cross sell. Okay, we'll just add sofa here. Sofa. Okay, so upsell we have added two products, and cross sell we have added a sofa. I'll just update this. We'll see the checkout page. Or else we can directly go like navigate this page directly. Okay, you may like also it recommends two products that we added in upsell here. And after checkout, after we go to checkout page, it recommends sofa, that is here. This is how we have to recommend the upsell and cross sell products. Thank you.